When it comes to performance and reliability, nothing beats a solid setup. The best home desktop combines speed, storage, and multitasking power to handle work, entertainment, and everyday computing effortlessly. Discover options that elevate your home computing experience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Dell Optiplex Home Desktop. The Dell Optiplex Home Desktop stands out as a stylish and functional choice for any home workspace. One of its most striking features is the customizable RGB lighting kit, which allows users to choose from 13 different modes, including solid, spectrum, and flashing colors, giving the desktop a visually engaging and personalized look. Beyond aesthetics, this desktop is designed with convenience in mind. The built-in Wi-Fi adapter ensures seamless internet connectivity. Performance-wise, the Optiplex delivers smooth and responsive computing for everyday tasks, such as web browsing, document editing, and media consumption. Its durable build and thoughtful design also make it suitable for long-term use, while the customizable lighting adds a touch of personality that elevates the overall home office experience. Whether you're managing work-from-home responsibilities, attending online classes, or enjoying entertainment, the Dell Optiplex Home Desktop offers a dependable, visually engaging solution that blends practicality with style, making it a strong contender in the home desktop market.
Number 2. Dell Slim Desktop ECS 1250. The Dell Slim Desktop ECS 1250 is a compact powerhouse that combines cutting-edge performance with sleek, eco-conscious design. Powered by Intel Core Ultra processors with built-in AI, it delivers impressive speed and efficiency, making multitasking, content creation, and productivity tasks seamless and responsive. Users can connect multiple monitors for enhanced workspace flexibility, supporting up to 4 FHD monitors through DisplayPort daisy chaining or 2 4K displays using HDMI and DisplayPort 1.4a. This desktop excels for home offices, creative work, and general computing, blending style, power, and convenience. With its combination of AI-enhanced performance, multi-monitor capability, and sustainable design, the Dell Slim Desktop ECS 1250 represents a thoughtful solution for users seeking a compact yet highly capable home desktop. Its balance of technology, flexibility, and eco-conscious construction makes it ideal for anyone aiming to optimize their home computing setup.
Number 3. HP Desktop Computer. The HP Desktop Computer is a robust solution for home users who demand high performance and reliability. Equipped with the 13th Gen Intel Core i5-13500 processor featuring 14 cores and 20 threads, it handles intensive tasks with ease, delivering smooth performance whether for productivity, multimedia, or gaming. With 32 GB DDR4 RAM and a 1 TB PCIe SSD, the system ensures fast boot times, seamless multitasking, and ample storage for files, applications, and media. This desktop is well suited for home offices, students, or families needing a reliable computer for work, study, and entertainment. Its combination of processing power, generous memory, and high-speed storage ensures tasks are completed efficiently, while connectivity options support versatile setups. Beyond raw performance, the HP Desktop prioritizes usability and user comfort, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a capable, long-lasting home desktop that can meet a variety of computing needs with ease.
Number 4. Dell Tower Desktop ECT 1250. The Dell Tower Desktop ECT 1250 is a full-sized, high-performance system designed for users who require flexibility, power, and reliability. Equipped with Intel Core Ultra processors with built-in AI, it accelerates multitasking and creative workflows, providing responsive performance across demanding applications. Users can connect multiple monitors, supporting up to 4 FHD displays suitable for any home or office environment. The desktop also supports long-term reliability and efficiency, making it suitable for professional or personal use. Ideal for heavy multitasking, creative work, and media consumption, the Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250 offers a versatile platform that balances performance, security, and eco-conscious design. Its combination of AI-enhanced computing, upgrade-friendly architecture, and modern style ensures it meets the needs of a broad range of home users, making it a compelling option for anyone seeking a dependable, high-capacity home desktop.
Number 5. HP M03 Home Desktop. The HP M03 Home Desktop delivers impressive power and versatility, making it an excellent choice for modern home computing. Equipped with the latest Intel Core Ultra 5-2255 processor featuring 10 cores and speeds up to 4.9 GHz, it provides exceptional responsiveness for demanding AI workloads, creative projects, and multitasking. Users can choose memory configurations from 16 GB to 64 GB DDR5 RAM. Whether handling productivity tasks, creative applications, or entertainment needs, the HP M03 balances speed, efficiency, and quiet operation. Its combination of cutting-edge processing power, expandable memory, versatile connectivity, and advanced cooling makes it a reliable, high-performance option for any home environment. With its thoughtful design and premium performance, the HP M03 Home Desktop ensures users experience seamless computing, whether for work, study, or entertainment, providing a dependable and future-ready solution for modern home computing needs.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.